So that outdoor pergola area that you've been using all summer is starting to look very enticing as the winter months approach. You're starting to think about how you can utilise this space as the weather gets cooler. We get this question a lot, and in this video I'm going to give you a few quick tips to organising some quotes and to make sure this process is smooth and hassle-free. I'm also going to distinguish the difference between a glazier and an aluminium fabricator. Stay tuned. Before you make any phone calls to any company, it's really important that you know exactly what you want, what size it is, and what your actual budget is. Make sure that you document all of your sizes and easily understand exactly what you're shopping for. This makes it incredibly easy for the supplier to be able to provide you with a quote. So once you have a clear plan and some accurate sizes, you can now approach an aluminium fabricator or a glazier for a quote. This is where we need to distinguish the difference between an aluminium fabricator and a glazier. Now my recommendation is if you're wanting to have opening windows and doors, I'd always recommend that you use an aluminium fabricator who's set up to complete this task. The reason being is this is what they do. They're used to making openable and operational windows, so they will work perfectly with your outdoor pergola area. Where you would utilise a glazier is if you've already built your own frames out of timber or steel or some other means, and you're just wanting to simply get some glass and install it into that opening, then a glazier is your best bet. We can help you with that. We can cut the glass up, install it, no worries at all. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped. To learn more, download our free guide or feel free to get in touch.